doing? What are you doing? Hi. They're outside. All of them are outside. Yes. There's only 4 birds in the frame. There's birds either end here. He knows this is my favourite. Not right now. My boy over here is. You see him? Right there. There he is. He's my real favourite. He's my baby. You're second best. For that reason. Second best for that reason. Hey puppy. Henry getting old. Hey baby. You're getting old. Yeah. Time to bathe them. Time to bathe the children. Oh puppy. Hey puppy. See. You can just see puppy. And hello. Hello Ali. I can pat her now. 8 years owning this fucking bird. I can pat her. I can pat her. He's bouncing. He loves cameras. Hates mirrors. Loves cameras. Hey puppy! There we go. Hey. Inside. I said inside. Follow the command. Time to bathe them. Let's bathe them. Oh. Are we finished? Are we finished, Alex? You think we're finished? You think the woman's finished with our bath? You think? There's the Labrador. There he is. Enzo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Absolutely no fox given. They're hosed. All of my children are hosed. They're hosed. Themselves, only 3 of them like to be hosed. Time to feed them. What are you doing, baby? Bobby. My pretty boy. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Get it. Get it. Good Papa. Get it, yeah. Hey, Ellie. Just lazy on the end. Very unhappy that I host her. Very gently. Wet dog. Wet dog. Henry. Hates cameras. A moving boy. My sunny bear. And feral 1 and feral 2. Yeah. Don't get horny. You nasty. Nasty bird. Nasty. You nasty. Birds. 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 Time to feed them. Oh, we've got a visitor. We've got a visitor. What the hell? Uh-oh. I've attracted the wrong pet. Easy. Hi, Enzo. Go. No, no. This is a birdie. Your breath stinks. Your breath actually stinks, man. What the hell? There's a bird. There's two. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Oh, if only my birds were that cute. They just try and bite each other. This is the major. This little bugger here, that's major. I don't need you to lick me. No lick. Go away. Go away and look at this. Let's see if my bird goes bite their feet because that's something my birds are known for. Oh, he's doing heart wings for him. Oh, he's being a cute patootie. Come on. Oh. Again, your breath stinks. You know that, right? Nasty. You're nasty. Mom, focus on the babies. Oh, I love birds. Stinky dog. You're nasty. You're nasty. It's so good. It's so rosy. I think they're licking the water off the cage. Oh, I love birds. Galahs are my favourite. The babies. Oh. Bye bye. Look how noisy my birds got immediately. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Good girl. Say bye bye. Good girl. And there's the high quality camera that I didn't grab. Hey, what are you doing? What? What are you doing, my baby? My baby. My baby. The baby. Oh, such a majestical creature. Yeah. My bad. My bad. Oh. Honey. You're a little bit on an angle. I'm dressed. I'm dressed. I'm a dress girly. I love dresses. But I'm also just like, yes. I don't know how to be, delicate, mindful, sweet lady. No, I'm a lady in a dress. Chaos energy. I need to show you this dress in the sunlight, okay? Okay, she sparkles. Hopefully this angle is enough for you, but she sparkles. She's holographic. And like, yeah, it's like dance fabric, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Whenever I bend over, I'm like, damn, that's a lot of boob. But like, she hugs everything very nicely. Very nicely. Oh. Should really be talking to camera, not just my boobs. But it should be just me and you and not just my boobs. But yes, She's very pretty. I reckon she's very simple because, like, without the sunlight directly hitting her, she only lightly looks holographic, or like a silver dress, right? Once the light hits her, I'm like, yes! I am in my final form. So we've got a couple of things I've got to go do. I've got to get some bird food for the lorry sheep, and then not overheat. I can't wait for my hair to be able to go in a ponytail, because like with dry heat, I can manage dry heat. Dry heat, I can at least cool myself off with water, like, right? But if I put water on my body right now, adding to the humidity adds to it, and it's not fun. But yeah, so I go do some bird food, go get some bird food, and then I'll be back. I don't think I need to go out and get anything else today. That's the only pressing matter that needs to be dealt with. Look, you never ponytail. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do. Okay? Okay, I know I really said I wanted to take you out and about, but it's still too hot. It's just too hot, okay? I'm sorry. Bird food acquired. Bye bye, dear friend. Bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Up there. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye, children, behave, be good, protect the house, especially you. Protect the house. My dear boy, protect it. You come in and say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you when I get home. Bye bye. Are you home? Are you home? Are you home? Are you home? You want to go inside? Inside? Let's go. Aww. You want pets today? Yeah. You want your pets today? Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Almost. Almost. Don't give me your neck. Give me your neck. Give me your neck. Good girl. Good boy. He's posing. He's getting so old. I'm chucking his food again. Yep, and eating it. Delectable. He's getting so old. My little old man. My little old man. Oh, he's eating his own food again. You're nasty. You're nasty, Henry. Oh, special bird. My old man. He even sits like an old man. All fluffed. I like genuinely has to be like the hardest bit about owning birds is not 100% knowing if it's their time, if you know what I mean, to go. Whether they're just being a fluffy bird. I love that man. He has survived a lot of things he probably shouldn't have, if we're being honest. Oh. Makes me sad knowing how old he is. A 17-year-old. He's got a 30-year lifespan. So he's getting there in age. And I don't like seeing him that fluffy because that usually means he's not well. And he's been fluffy like that for a couple of weeks. He's getting skinny. In certain parts, you can see his body. If you know, you know. If you own a bird, you know. You know what I mean. But like, he's happy. He's happy. I hope. My baby. 60 years with you. We're done 10. 60 years. I've done 11. Done out over 10 bit. 60 years we're spending together, you and me. Yeah. Whereas Agro over here, that one, technically past his due date. Still here. He's out of here, out of spite. babies. Oh, meow. Stop sniffing me. I have not been anywhere you haven't. Can I help? With anything, sir? Anything. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Oh, 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 ow. Ow. Get it. Get it. Get it, big boy. Did you have to move the lounge? Get it. Like a big baby. Big baby. Big baby need a stretch. Big baby need a stretch. Shake. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. You're a very good boy. You're going down. You're yelling timber. So, no lick. Pat, no lick. You eat shit. You eat shit regularly. Get your ball. Where's your ball? Where is it? Get the ball. Intelligent dog. I said ball. He's gonna get duck. Oh, not duck. Octopus. What do you got? Oh, you're gonna start putting things in lines. Go get a toy. Go pick a toy. It's a baby. What you got? What you got there? What you got? Ta. Ah. Wow. Oh, my little sir. You got it? Best thing I've ever bought you, outside of duck. Because I can do this. Get it. Get it. Get it. Hell yeah. My happy man. He's a happy man. Deflate it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay, so this is why you set reminders in your calendar. I have a doctor's appointment today that I completely forgot about. So I will be going to do that. I have less than half an hour for that, so I will entertain myself, watch some YouTube, and then we're going for a doctor's appointment. Yay! It's gonna be a fun one. I get my depot shot today. My arm's going to hurt. Don't make home. I'm not gonna lie to you. 6 hours of sleep for the last month. Not enough hours. Not nearly enough hours. So I think I'm gonna go back for a little longer. I do have a shit ton of things that I need to edit. I am tired. A dribble baby. So yeah. So Enzy. Came in the other way. You're making me look like a fool, man. Get in, baby. The big baby. That just put water all over my leg. But yeah. I'm gonna draw for a little bit. It is getting hotter. Humidity is rising. So, just gonna chill out just a smidge. And then I've got to edit. Made it back. Made it back. Sonny's in his happy heart. Henry is doing Henry things. You okay? You're getting me worried. Baby. My baby. Say hi, Annie's. My sleepy baby. What's getting old? What's getting old? My baby. Oh, look how comfy he looks. Oh, look at the man. Look how comfy he is. Oh, the fluffy. The fluff. Oh. My man. My man. You fluffy. Oh, I know it's warm, isn't it? It is warm. It is warm. Hello, Sonny. My boys. Oh, good boy. Goodbye, Sonny. Stay comfy, my dude. Stay comfy. I nearly napped. I nearly napped hard because my body's stiff. Oh, that's why I don't normally sleep on my back, but I did. I had to go do some work. Yay. I'm back. I'm gonna get some shit done. Wolf needed that nap. Ugh. You're such a beautiful boy. I love children. Work. But I'll wait for things to download because I forgot to do so last week. Look how much my brows have grown. I love how I keep jumping between an extremely high quality camera and my phone. My very basic phone camera. I would apologise, but you're easy to hold. You've got to be on a tripod. So, there's that. Also, look why I did do that a couple months ago. Me and over tightening things. I love editing. Okay, so genuinely, the reason why I started wanting to do like vlog stuff, one, noisy home. Noisy home. Cannot film ASMRs in this household. Understandably. It's quiet today, but like, it's just constant something going. There's always something going, but like, I thought it was going to be like smaller clips, you know, easier to edit. Who's gonna tell me? Hour long. Hour long. Hour long. So yeah, these are gonna take me some time to edit down. My camera's up and working again. I gave you new tape. I gave you some new tape. I'm terrified something's going to get in there, like dirt or, you know, sand, because you are my beach camera that I usually take to the beach. I should replace it, but by the looks of it, you have to replace it yourself, and I don't have that kind of confidence, let alone handing it to my brothers for confidence. I don't have that either, even though I know they probably could do it, but I'd rather not. That's okay. Let's get some editing done. I haven't eaten much today. I haven't been hungry. I got an egg with a mouthful, man. Got pasta cooking. every car possible passing by. I'm gonna eat some cheese. Lactose-free cheese. In case you didn't know, I've got celiac disease, so that's gluten-free pasta. I am vegetarian, I have been since I was 12, and recently discovered I am also lactose intolerant. My bowel loves me. I love it. Didn't discover I was celiac until I was 25. That was fun. Would you like to give one to Enzo? Good boy. I'm gonna shut my ass up here or set myself up in the lounge room somewhere and start editing. Pasta, 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 pasta. Yeah. Hell yeah. It's ready. Yes. Pasta. Bones. Dog. Doggy. Oh, that's a good sit. Oh, take a bag. You gonna do a lay down? Oh, that's a good lay down. Oh, and a belly. Oh, that does deserve a reward. Wait. Go. Good boy. Good puppy. There you go. Now down to just over half an hour. Yeah. My birdies do need to come inside. They do need to come inside. That's not bad. That only took me an hour and a half. Now I've got to do the other video. Not as fun. This wasn't fun, but it's not as fun either. I love this camera. Look at it. High definition. Look at me nose. Better get the birds in. And better get my children inside. Hell yeah. Wanna go in? Y'all wanna go in? Inside time? Enzo's up there doing the piss. Inside time. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Everyone's all in. Everyone is all in. Including the party. Now to put some sheets on them. Holy shit, it's hot. Whew. I'm gonna complain about the heat a lot. Then the cold. Enjoy. Babies have their coverings. I am going to end this here because I don't think I have anything that might happen for the rest of the day because I'll be editing. How love is that? I need to go take you on a picnic. I need to take you to the beach and I need to take you on a picnic. You. Okay? We'll make it a date. Okay? I'll see you all next time. I'm rheaivyhope. Welcome to Rogan Land. I will see you all next time. Hope you have a lovely day. And I don't know what else to add to this because I don't have an outro for this at all. So I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.